Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today I am going to be doing a Sephora Holiday Sale Haul. I know that I'm a little bit late posting this, but I just decided I was going to do it anyway. So I'm just going to jump right into the products that I got. So the first item that I got is the Becca Lip Icing Glow Gloss Kit. This is a Becca times Chrissy Teigen collaboration, and it comes with 4 glosses. Now I already took this out of the original packaging, which is super cute by the way, and I did do a review and show you swatches already on my channel, so I will link that video in the description box. But overall I really like these lip glosses. I think that these are super cute and fun for the holidays. I also got the Tarte High Tides and Good Vibes Mini H2O Gloss Set. Now, I wasn't huge on these lip glosses. I felt like they were a little bit sticky, to be honest, so I didn't feel like they were super comfortable on the lips, but I think that the colors are super fun, and the packaging is also super cute. It has just these adorable details. Another lip gloss set that I got is the Buxom Full On Fantasy Mini Lip Plumping Set. So I also did a video on this one. I gave a review and I also swatched them. So if you want to see that, I'll link it in the description box. I thought that these were really fun. The packaging's super cute and sleek, and I definitely think that this is just a really fun and adorable lip gloss set. So if you want to see what I thought about it, definitely check that video out. The next item that I got is the Hourglass. It is the Luminous Bronze Light Bronzer. This is one of my favorite bronzers. I think it is so beautiful. I'm wearing it today. I feel like it just gives a really pretty luminous glow to the skin. I feel like it's not overpowering, and it just looks really pretty on the skin. So I am a huge fan of this bronzer. I've only had it in the smaller size before, so I decided, since I like it so much and I used the mini one all up, I decided to pick it up in the full size. I also got the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb, the Universal Lip Luminizer in the shade Fenty Glow during the sale. I had been wanting to get this for quite a while, but I kind of just put it off because it's $18 for a lip gloss, and that I was kind of hesitant to pay that price for this, but since it was a sale, I decided that it was a good time to pick it up, and I really like this. I think that it's super smooth on the lips. It's not sticky or anything like that, and I feel like it gives a really pretty, like, rosy, luminous look to the lips, so I'm definitely a big fan of this. Okay, and the last thing that I got at the sale is the Urban Decay Naked Cherry Eyeshadow Palette, and I have used this quite a few times now, and I am actually really liking this. It just has some really pretty pinks to it, and the packaging is adorable. This is what the palette looks like. It comes with a brush, which I actually feel like is pretty nice. It's a double-sided brush, a fluffier end, and then also a smaller end. So I just really like the colors in this, and I feel like I'm definitely going to be using it a lot. If you would like to see me do an eyeshadow look and a review of this, let me know. I would be happy to do that. So that is all that I have for today. I hope that it was fun and helpful. Again, I will link all of the products that I got in this haul that I have already done a video on in the description box. I hope that you all have a great rest of your day, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye!